Alright, let's be honest. Android tablets have come a long way from those slow, clunky devices we used to avoid. Today, they're sleeker, smarter, and some of them can even rival an iPad Pro. So let's get into it. And I promise, by the end, you'll know exactly which one's worth your money. Let's start with the one that's making serious noise, the OnePlus Pad 3. This thing looks gorgeous in storm blue, rocking a 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD display with a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate. So everything from scrolling to gaming feels ridiculously smooth. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, meaning multitasking is buttery smooth and games load instantly. The 8-speaker Dolby Atmos system sounds incredible for watching movies, and that 12,140 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging keeps you going all day without babysitting a charger. At just 5.97 millimeters thin, it's sleek, light, and honestly feels like the Android version of an iPad Pro, but without the Apple price tag. Check the description for the OnePlus Pad 3 link. If you're on a budget or just want something simple for streaming and reading, the Amazon Fire HD 10 is your best bet. It's got a 10.1-inch Full HD display, a snappy octa-core processor, and 3 GB of RAM. Nothing crazy, but more than enough for entertainment. You can stream Prime Video, browse the web, or read Kindle books. It's a great casual tablet. And because it's part of the Amazon ecosystem, Alexa is just a voice command away. It's not built for gaming or editing, but for Netflix marathons and bedtime scrolling. It's perfect. Link for the Fire HD 10 is in the description. Now, here's something special, the Google Pixel tablet. It's not just a tablet, it's part of your smart home. It comes with an 11-inch screen, 8 GB of RAM, and Google's Tensor G2 chip, which means it handles apps, multitasking, and AI features like a pro. But the real trick? The charging speaker dock. When you snap the tablet onto it, it turns into a smart home hub. Basically a giant Google Nest display. You can stream music, control your smart lights, watch YouTube, or even run your entire smart home setup from it. It's the most versatile tablet on this list. Part tablet, part smart display, and all Google. Check the description for the Pixel tablet link. If you want the best of the best, go with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. It's got a 12.4-inch AMOLED screen that looks stunning. Deep blacks, vivid colors, and buttery smooth motion. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, this tablet is a beast for gaming, productivity, and creative work. The S Pen is included, thank you Samsung, and it's perfect for taking notes or sketching. It's also AI ready, has 256 GB of storage, and a massive battery that lasts through a full workday. Plus, it's water and dust resistant, so you can use it anywhere, even by the pool. Honestly, if iPad Pros are Ferraris, the Tab S9 Plus is the Lamborghini of Android tablets. Link for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus is below. And finally, the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, one of the most underrated Android tablets out there. It features a 12.6-inch 2K AMOLED display and a powerful octa-core Cryo 585 processor with up to 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It's built for multitasking, and the 2-in-1 productivity mode lets you use it almost like a laptop when paired with a keyboard. The design is slim and premium, and it's great for streaming, drawing, or light creative work. If you want flagship performance without a flagship price, this is your sleeper hit. Check the description for the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro link. So there you have it, from the power-packed OnePlus Pad 3 to the budget-friendly Fire HD 10 and the ultra-sleek Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. These are the best Android tablets you can buy right now. Each one fits a different need, so whether you're working, gaming, or just binging your favorite shows, there's something here for you. All the links are in the description. Check them out and let me know which one's your pick.